How to turn off iPhone without button. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off your iPhone without any buttons. So let's get started. So if you want to turn off your iPhone without any buttons, what you can do is you can actually just wait for your screen timer to go off. That is, whenever after certain seconds, that is 30 or 15 seconds, whatever you've set it to, it will just turn off automatically. The display gets shut down. So that's one way of doing it. All you have to do is wait. So let's head over to check that setting as well. Go to settings, scroll down. There you'll find display and brightness. Tap on display and brightness, and after you're there, scroll down, and there you'll find auto lock option. Tap on auto lock and set it at the lowest one. So all you have to do is wait for the iPhone to turn off. And again, the other thing that you can do is you can head over to your settings, go to accessibility, and right there go to touch under physical and motor, and select assistive touch. Toggle the assistive touch button, and you'll find this assistive touch open up. Now when you open assistive touch up, tap on device, and there you'll see lock screen option. Tapping on that will lock your screen as well. So this is for locking the screen, that is basically turning off your iPhone. Now to shut down your iPhone or basically turn off your iPhone, what you can do is go to your settings, go to general, scroll down all the way, and there you'll find the shutdown button. Tap on the shutdown button and drag the slider, and then your iPhone will basically shut down or turn off. Also, you can use your assistive touch. Tap on that, tap on device, tap on the more option, and there you'll find restart option. You can do that as well. And that's how you turn off your iPhone without any buttons. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.